Hi, folks. Welcome to the Financial Intelligence course with insights of great Guru Chanakya, created by Business Learning. Here we have the part 3 of module The Art of Finance. In this video, we'll be discussing about the principle of conservatism. This principle provides that accounting for a business should be fair and reasonable. Accountants are required to make evaluations and estimates, to deliver opinions, and to select procedures. They should do so in a way that neither overstates nor understates the affairs of the business or the results of operation. Conservatism states when choosing between two solutions, the one that will be least likely to overstate assets and income should be picked. In this concept, if assets increase and liabilities decrease, then we will defer it, and in vice versa situation, we will recognize it when future results are uncertain. Another commonly used definition based on current income statement effect, as discussed in Basu 1997, defines conservatism as the practice of reducing earnings in response to unfavorable news and not increasing earnings sufficiently in response to favorable news. Revenues are increases in the company's assets from its profit directed activities, and they result in positive cash flows, such as sales of products, merchandise, services, and earnings from interest, dividend, and rents. Customers sometimes pay in advance for services to be rendered in later accounting phase. For accounting purposes, the cash received does not represent value until it has been earned. Thus, the recognition of revenue must be deferred until it is earned. Advance collections from customers are recorded by debiting, crediting, cash, and a liability account for unearned revenue. Expenses are decreases in the company's assets from its profit directed activities, and they result in negative cash flows. Net income. Net income is the difference between the revenues and expenses for a specified period of time. Should a company find itself in the undesirable situation of having expenses greater than revenues, we call the difference a net loss. Some expenses accumulate in the current period but are not paid until a future period. These are accrued expenses recorded as part of the adjusting process in the end of each period by debiting the appropriate expense and crediting a liability account. In future periods, as cash is disbursed in settlements of these liabilities, the appropriate liability account is debited and cash is credited. As per great Guru Chanakya, the secret of prosperity lies not in how much of money does a person have, but in how wise and intelligent is he. What eventually determines the fortune of a person is how much sense he shows in making his fortune work for him. One should therefore strive to acquire as much knowledge and education as possible from diverse spheres and interacting with people from all walks of life and apply all that one learns to one's own life and experiences, and it would soon be seen that it becomes easy to achieve targets and goals. For more on financial intelligence, see the next video of the course. Thank you.